In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags on Etsy, a key skill that will help enhance your shop's visibility and reach more potential buyers. Let's dive into the process, beginning with creating a new listing, and then I'll guide you through editing an existing one. To get started, you'll need to head over to your Etsy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Shop Manager. This is your hub for all things related to managing your Etsy shop. Now, look for the Listings section, which is where all your products are displayed. Once you're in the Listings section, you'll see an option to add a listing located in the top right corner of your screen. When you click that, you'll be directed to the listing creation page. It's here where you can input all the exciting details about your new product. After you've filled out the necessary fields, scroll down until you find the tag section. It's nestled under the attributes area, and this is where the magic happens. In the tag section, you're granted the opportunity to add up to 13 tags. These tags are essentially keywords that help categorize your product and make it more searchable for customers. When crafting your tags, think of words or phrases potential buyers might use when searching for your product. This is a chance to put yourself in the customer's shoes. For example, if you're selling a handmade mug, try incorporating tags like ceramic mug, handmade pottery, or coffee lover gifts. This way, buyers who are interested in these aspects are more likely to find your listing. After carefully selecting and typing in your tags, the next step is to simply click Add. With your listing now well equipped with descriptive and relevant tags, you can choose to either save it as a draft if you're not quite ready to publish yet, or go ahead and hit publish to set it live for all to see. Now, if you want to edit tags on an existing listing, you'll need to follow a slightly different path. Begin by heading back to your shop manager and once again navigate to Listings. Find the product you wish to update. Next to the listing, there's a small gear icon. Clicking this will bring up an option to edit the listing. Once you're in edit mode, scroll back down to the tag section. From there, you have the flexibility to add new tags, remove old ones, or modify them to better suit your search strategy. It's an important step to periodically review and update your tags based on emerging trends or seasonal changes. Remember, you can always gauge tag performance by checking your shop's analytics. Finally, after making all the necessary changes to your tags, be sure to click Publish Changes to ensure all your edits are saved and updated in your shop. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can optimize your listings and improve your visibility on Etsy, bringing your wonderful products to a wider audience. Happy selling!